come and clean a commercial office with me. Let's go. Hey friends, it's Luz with Superstar Cleaning. Today I am going to bring you guys with me to clean a office. It is a commercial office. It's a call center that we do Monday through Friday, and we clean bathrooms. We do vacuum. We take trashes out, and we also clean a small kitchen. The first thing I do is spray the disinfectant into the toilets and sinks, and I let it sit for like 30 to 40 minutes, and I go and do the kitchen first, and then go to the kitchen, and then we'll get trashes out, vacuum, and then at the end I clean the bathrooms. So let's go. I'll show you guys. And that is it for today, you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.